But going down, I don't. I mean, it's just literally there. It's like you were in the clouds all the time, and then it clears up. There, and then came up with it. That's all.
The marathon route you did?
Yeah. Where are you gone, go? As long as it's not raining, it's okay.
Yeah, it's raining.
How I saw this Bothy was the mountain walking group has done this Bothy before.
In Bangalore.
Yeah. And apparently they are going to a Bothy today. But that's not... Huh?
There's another one in the
Yeah. It's... I can't find it in the mountain group. But you know, maybe people are worried about the clouds and maybe there is space. You can ask them to carry the bags, you know. Yeah? Really? No way. Okay. I was thinking of get out and go. Hey, ponies. Looking really nice. Oh, sorry, man. Yep. People. Huh? Oh yeah, is it okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. I feel like this is kind of a like a ridgy.
Yeah, proper.
Yeah. It's when the drops are like that, that's harder. Ridges are a bit more. Yeah. Depends on how wide the ridge is. Are we sheltered? Yeah, I think we are sheltered by the mountain from the winds at the moment. Because remember, the wind was coming from the other side.
Yeah.
Like, no. From that side, yeah. And also, I think most of the wind comes from the sea. And sea is actually in front of us at the moment.
Yeah.
Angle C on that side. Fucking Matt. You are like bouldering king. And I am. And I don't mind bouldering, but...
Really this way is my question.
See, but in the map, yes. But then, see, it is. See the marks of... Okay, wait for a moment. See the marks, man.
Yeah.
See?
Oh, yeah.
So it is. So I'm just gonna... Can I just climb up there?
Go for it.
Oh, fucking bag, I hate this.
Hi guys. Hi.
Hey, man. Okay, wait for a moment.
Yeshi next time.
Fuck, why are you talking about Yeshi? mean, I do love doing this, but going down I don't. And I would prefer not to have the bag either. So if it's like a small, like, water pack, fine. That's nice. It's quite a variety of, yeah. Yeah, with me. Can I take one with my back? Yeah, just my back. Yeah, with the thingy, the sun. With the sun and the thing. I'll just be on the side. Got it? Nice. Wow, this is very beautiful. The sun makes it look really dramatic.
Yeah.
The shadows and the angle, see everything. And that's Snowdonia, I think. Yeah, that one there. Yeah. Man, I mean, like, this is exactly what I was talking about when I was telling you. Like, it's like opened up for a moment just for us and then it goes back. Ah, crazy. Oh, look at that. Lovely. This. It feels nice. Like you feel special or something. Yeah, it's like you were in the clouds all the time and then it clears up. And you know what's the best thing? The best thing is cloud inversions. I mean, I don't know. It's just literally there. The path is there. Yeah. Possibly. Beautiful. Wow. I think it's the sun coming from that side. Yeah. And it's all the contrast, it's so beautiful. So I think maybe, this is what we were talking about, like the ridge. It's like not that far down. And then go up there, goes down to Llyn. Think? Chilly. We might be even able to see something, like cliff edge. I mean, the watch is giving off course warning. It's literally blowing up. Is there? No. Can't see. Don't think so. Huh? Nothing. Maybe it's a valley that just goes down.
Yeah.
You know what we could do even? Go down to Conwy. Like, might as well, I mean. I think. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, nice. No, I think it's a bit there. Oof, man, I mean, it's like, how is this even possible? Everything. Beautiful. Yeah. It's quite a lot actually.
I met the guy who works there on the train.
Yeah.
He just really
No, can't see the route. So I need to zoom out and see. Yeah, it's that actually, but we have to just go there. I mean, no, we can. I mean, we can just. You wanna?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, just jump down is fine. I think. Hopefully, it's like would essentially cut down there. Yeah, we just keep that direction.
Probably see.
Is that the route? I think maybe. That's too obvious. Huh? No, I don't know. Let's see. Llyn Dulyn. I don't know, is it Dulyn or Dulyn? They were saying Dulyn. I think it's Dulyn.
Most people we saw were not Welsh.
This is the best thing about like surprises. Yeah, I mean, when you get something that you don't expect. Yeah. Yeah, no. I mean, just get down here actually. Yeah, then we can just do whatever. Yeah, rocks are a bit tricky. So we came from there, but I think we could just cut through there, I think. Yeah, we just cut through there and then came up, I think. Or I don't know. Oh no, I think maybe we cut through from there. See that? Not this.
Yeah, that's the reservoir.
Yeah.
Maybe.
There. Yeah. That's quite deeper than I thought. I mean, like, that kind of like ending of that hill, like that gorge, looks really deep. Nice. So, our lake has a heart shape, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Roasted it, grinded it,
Right.
fried it.
Yeah.
Grandma likes coffee.
close. Oh, you could have just gone there. Oh, people are camping there as well.